Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to explain construction of triangle. Yes, there are three types to construct a triangle. Triple S, side. If three sides are given, side angle side. If two sides side, one angle is given. Two angles and one side. So this is a topic related to 7th class. Most of the viewers are asked to explain the constructions, so I am explaining the constructions, but it is not possible to explain on board with the tools, compass, protractor. So I am explaining in a notebook, so concentrate on my videos. Thank you. Okay children, today we will discuss construction of triangle type 1, side. First of all, we need to draw a rough diagram with our hand. Better to draw with hand. Now see the given information PQ, QR and RP. So the name of triangle is PQR. You can take any side as a base. PQ is the base having how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. And RQ is 5 centimeters and PR or RP is 7 centimeters. This is a rough diagram to you in the right side corner. Now you need to start construction. For that you required a compass, scale and a pencil. Better to take separate pencils, one pencil with the compass, another pencil with by drawing the lines. Now see the rough diagram and draw the base PQ is how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. Yes. Now mention the name. The name of 4 centimeters line segment is PQ. Now take the compass and measure 7 centimeters with your scale and compass. See the 7 centimeters measurement. Very good. Yes. Now draw from P. Draw from P. There is one arc. Draw one arc from P. Now we should take another arc from Q of 5 centimeters. Yes, this is 5 centimeters, 0 to 5. Now draw from Q. So these two arcs compulsory intersect at one place. Make it that name as another letter R. This is the letter R. Now draw these points with a scale from R to P and another side R to Q. So this is the construction of a triangle with 3 sides. PQ 4 centimeters, PR 7 centimeters and RQ 5 centimeters. Okay children? Construction of triangle, the type SCS. So AB 4 centimeter, BC 5 centimeter, angle B is 50 degrees. So we need to take base with angle B 50. So we can take AB as a base or BC as a base. So I am taking AB as a base. And the value of AB 4 centimeters, the value of BC 5 centimeters. And angle B equal to 50 degrees. Now you need to have a tools, pencil, protractor, compass and also scale. So now first of all I need to draw base AB 4 centimeters with help of scale. 0 to 4. Now, after drawing a line segment, take the points A and B. Now you need to take a protractor and observe the angle B is 50 degrees. So take angle B and match these 2 points, coincide these 2 points, so the line match with the AB. Okay, so that is the way to do. So match the line and the point, giving a value of 50 degrees. The 50 degrees is here. The 50 degrees is the obtuse angle. You should take the above values of a protractor. Remove the protractor now. Take a scale and draw a line. Then after, take the compass and measure 5 centimeters BC. So it's from 0 to 5. And draw an arc. Draw an arc from B of 5 centimeters. Make a arc. Now the arc will intersect the line at somewhere. The point name is C. Take the scale and join AC. So this is our required triangle of 4 centimeters base, 5 centimeters and 50 degrees is the angle. Okay, so after that you need to write the steps and complete your problem. Clear all of you? Now construction of triangle of type AASA, angle side angle. So I am taking example, the name of triangle MAN and 2 angles and 1 side. 2 angles and 1 side. The side is MA, so there is only one base. MA is only the base. So I am drawing the rough diagram. In a rough diagram, the base, what we should take is the base is important. Anyway, in this type, only one side is mentioned, MA, so that's why the base is as usually MA. So take base as M and A of how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. So MA how much? 4 centimeters. Anyway, another side is another point, vertex is N. So what is the length of MA? 4 centimeters. And the angle M is equal to 45 degrees. Angle N is equal to, angle A is equal to 100 degrees with the measurements. Now, what type of requirements, what are the tools we have in this construction is scale, protractor and pencil. In this we don't want any compass to draw the construction. Now, as usually you take the base first of all. The base is how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. So take from 0 to 4. 4 centimeters, 0 to 4, yes. Now mention the names, very very important. Mark the points M and A. Next, take the protractor. Very very important. How to measure the with protractor is very very important. These 2 points should be matched and the line should be matched with the MA. This is the way to make protractor. And identify 45 degrees, the 45 between 50 to 45. You are taking from right side, so you need to take down values. There is a 45 in the right side also, but you should not take that one. 45 anyway, it is acute angle. You know very well how the acute angle will be. With join a line with that point. This is 45 degrees angle. Next, you need to take 100 degrees from A. 100 degrees is nothing but a obtuse angle. In a rough diagram, by looking it look like acute, doesn't matter. 100 degrees is the angle which is more than 90 degrees, so you should take like this. Now join again with that point with A. Automatically the line will intersect the previous line, so the two intersecting point is called as N. So this is the required triangle. So the measure of MA is 4 centimeters. Angle A equal to 100 degrees. angle M is equal to 45 degrees. So this is the required triangle for the given construction example.